Hey, it's Ryan from Combat Off-Road. We've got our new Chow Hall Table just launched. I want to do a quick unboxing, show you what's in the box, and yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. So here we go. So this is going to be, actually I'll show you the box, it's kind of cool. Basically we got is your install instructions are on the outside with the QR code so you know how to install it. When you're looking at the box itself, it gives you a bunch of information just so you didn't really have to open it, right? So we got some key features. Holds up to 100 pounds, you know, retractable food grade cutting board, MOLLE panel, you know, MOLLE pack compatible, you know, similar to our original table that way. Customizable backing plate, which I'll show you in a minute. Kind of like all our products have the backing plate where you can come off, theme paint it. And we got the anti-rattle system, so we got some pretty heavy duty latches on this guy. And this one's going to fit the 07 to 18 JK, and it's going to fit the 18 and up JL Wrangler. And I'll get to that in another video, how to put it on both those vehicles. Part number, if you're looking for it, it's going to be 99-1041. Gets you the Chow Hall Table. So here, we're going to open it up. So I probably already cheated and opened it up. So this is going to be a backing plate for certain applications. You're going to have your hardware kit. That's kind of all the hardware needed to install on the JK and the JL. So one box, both vehicles, one part number, 99-1041. And the fun part is going to be the big, oh, it is pretty beefy. Don't mind the noise. All right. It's Christmas in February. Trying to save the bubble foam. Okay. So before I open it, so if you guys are familiar with our fenders, we got the laser cut removable logo. We also have it here. So it comes black, but you can unbolt that and theme paint it. So if you had orange, yellow, green, purple, whatever your theme color is of your Jeep, you can complement it with this. These are our heavy duty latches. They have like a lock. So they're spring-loaded locks, so that keeps it nice and tight. The cutting board is behind here. This is just a safety, you know, cover. It's actually black. We didn't want to do wood because wood always harbors bacteria. So we went with like a plastic. That's going to be your MOLLE panel. So basically you unclick it, lift that, click it, lift the other one, and the table is going to fold out. So the board will slide out the side. We have rubber bumpers that help with rattle. This is our second backing plate. It's also removable. You're going to have to do that before you take off, or sorry, before you install it on the vehicle. We got pretty heavy duty arms here. The base is super heavy duty, so you can fit a lot of weight. So some big sandwiches on here. And then once you pull the board out, it exposes the cup holders, and they just go to the MOLLE pack bracket. So basically a solo cup style, you know, college party cups. And that's it. It has multiple mounting locations available. We'll go through that. But it just simply folds back up. Make sure the lock's unlocked. Double click it. And one click, two clicks, That's it. You can run all your safety stuff, you know, first aid or knife or whatever you like to run for MOLLE packs. So yeah, next video, we're going to show you how to put it on. And I'll probably do a comparison between our original tailgate, which we still offer, just a lighter duty tailgate table, versus the Chow Hall table. All right, well, thanks for watching.